莉啊，
哎，
不舒服嘞。
不舒服？
啊
哪里？
啊，下面哦。
下面？下面什么？
啊，下面那个啦，不舒服了。不懂嘞，整天又来了嘞。
啊，又来了？
又来了。
你有 problem 是吗？为什么又来了？
不懂，我
你有带 tampon 对吗？
有在 bag 里面。
换 tampon。
我不会穿的。
OK，我跟你讲，你去那个皮勒那边。
哦。
啊，对。
你脚要开吗？
要啊，等你脱下来。
开了。哇，老喂，死北宋了啦。
我看你有 problem 啦，肯定来的。
不懂嘞，我从小就是这样嘞，我10岁开始这样的。
真的吗？不可能的啦。你用了几个 tampon 了这个 week？
这个 week 啊，12个了。莉莉。
什么？
没晒了啦。
你又来了？你不是刚刚换 tampon， 我干嘛帮你换 tampon？
我要棒晒了。
棒晒？为什么你要棒晒？
不懂嘞。
现在要跳舞，你不要棒晒啦，你忍住。
不可以啦，怎么忍？
你夹住了，你夹住啊！你吸一口气，等你跳起来，等你夹住。
吸口气跳起来，夹住不是出来？莉莉啊，我告诉你一件事，你不要生气哦。
什么东西？哎呦！是不是你？你放屁啊！你要
！sorry 啦
臭了，你不可以闻一下的咩
？sorry。
臭
真的 sorry 啦 ，sorry。
你 silent killer 啦你。
莉莉啊 ，I did it again.
How many times already?
3 times today.
Cannot believe that you did it so many times.
You can do it one. You must believe in yourself.
I don't know what's wrong.
Why?
He used to be so good. When I was cooking, he would come behind me and now he's not interested anymore.
But Lily, you must believe in yourself. Like me and my husband. Every day, even when he's tired, we still do it. We try our best. When in the toilet, sometimes he will me. When I'm brushing my teeth, sometimes he's also...
Actually, I suspect...
What you suspect?
I suspect there's someone else. Maybe he's having sex with someone. That's why he's always tired. What?
Then let me ask you. What kind of panties do you wear?
Cotton panties.
Cotton panties, that's why lah.
What's
wrong? You cannot wear cotton panties. You must wear satin panties.
Those are not comfortable.
Satin or velvet. Who cares about comfortable?
I can't breathe in those panties.
You don't breathe through your panties, you breathe through your nose. Aiya.
How about lace?
Lace not bad lah, a lot of holes, quite airy. Try. I think lace will work.
Maybe I'll go home and try now.
Good. You go home and try.
Okay.
Give me a call, okay? Once you're finished.
Yeah, I will.
Take care, okay?
Okay.
I'm worried for you.
Okay, I know.
哎呀，干你娘！Lily. Ask you a question
What?
Do you think anybody notice us or not?
Notice us?
We stand here so long already leh.
Look at that woman over there. You think she's looking at us?
No lah, she's looking at our clothes lah. Where you come from
I was made in China.
China. Oh.
You leh?
I made in Malaysia. Hey Lily, next year I'll be in India.
I won't see you anymore.
But can you promise me one thing?
What?
Must call me, okay?
I will.
Must promise.
Promise.
Thanks.
Got lizard.